You are welcome to my channel. In this video, we are told to reproduce the figure at the right hand side of the screen in isometric. Now the first thing you have to do is to draw your isometric axis, that is the X, Y, and Z axis. So if I should do that, I'm going to be having this way, my horizontal, right? Then my vertical this way. Then I'll draw the X this way, draw the Z axis this way, so this is what we have here. So the next thing we'll be doing here is that if you look at from here to here is equals to from here to here, which is also equals to from here to here, and that's giving us what? 60, and it is placed around this axis, right? So I'll measure 60 from 0 to 60, and if you look closely, it is thickened, right? So I can just thicken it if I want to save time. You can see that. Now the next thing is similarly from here to here is giving us the addition of everything you see here, which is 10 plus 20 plus 10, and that is what? 40. Or you could see this particular 40 here, any choice you want to take. So 40. So I'm going to measure 40 at this axis here. This is 40. So it is thickened on the diagram, so I'm going to thicken it. You can see that. So at this end, I'm going to project my line vertically upward this way. So it's always good to start with your front line, except you are perfect, so you don't make mistakes. So we'll take it up. You can see that. Then the height. The height is giving us from here to here, which is the same thing as saying from here to here, and that's giving us 20, and fall around 20 is the maximum height that we have there. So I'm going to measure 20. So this is 20 here, right? So from the diagram, it is thickened, so I can simply thicken it. You can see that. So I'll just use my faint line. What I did here, I'll do it at this point too, faint line. So as if I want to draw it in 30 degree with my set square, place it this way on that point. And if you look at the diagram very well, from here to here is from here to somewhere around there, and it is thickened. So I'm going to thicken it. Right now, similarly, I will come here, I will turn it this way too, faint line, because I'm not certain how. I'll just use my faint line here first, because of this side is not, it is not uniform. That's why I'm not taking that aspect. Now at this point where they meet also, I will just assume if you are perfect, you can be ignoring these steps, and I'll do here also. So at that point, I'm going to draw this one is for this, and I'll turn it. This is for this. Right, so I'm going to extend that aspect from here. Then here is thickened. From here to here is from here somewhere around here, so I'll thicken it. Then the other one, I can now thicken this now since I know where I'm ending. You can see that, and also the back here is also thickened. And here also is also thickened. So now if you look at it closely, from here to here it's giving us 10, which is from here to somewhere around here, and I'm going to repeat it from here to this point too, as shown in the figure. So I'll be having 10 here. This is 10, and this is also what? This is 10. So as shown in the figure is thickened, I'm going to thicken it. You can see that. Now at this point where they meet, at this point is a point here. I'm going to draw my line at that point, this way, right? So I'm going to draw, this is already there, I'll place it this way, and I'll draw the down faint line in. I'll come here also, do the same thing because it's parallel to each other, as you can see in the figure, right? And the distance there from here to here is something that's saying it's going to be what? 20. So from here to somewhere around here is 20, so I'm going to measure the 20 here. This is 20, right? So I'm going to close it up. Right? So I'll close it up as shown in the diagram. I'll close it up too. See that? Now the next thing is, I'll just bring these points down because in the diagram here is coming down, right, with a distance of 10. So I'll just bring it down first of all. Now bring it down all those edge. Now bring it down all this edge. Now measure 10 downwards. So from here to here is 10, as shown in the diagram. From this point to this point is given to be what? 10. So I'm going to thicken it. You see that? And I'll start closing it up. Then I'll close it up too. And here up. And here too, as shown in the diagram. And here. So this is what we have. We have successfully reproduced that figure at the right hand side of the screen. So the next thing you have to do, you need to draw your dimension. You can check on my other videos on isometric for you to see how I did the dimension in there. So if you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, you share, you comment, and you like the video. Thanks for watching.